Hello beauties, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my must-have, travel-friendly, and TSA-approved essentials. Now, whether you guys are planning on traveling for the holidays, I know Thanksgiving is coming up, which is super exciting, so I'm going to be stuffing my face. But I know that a lot of you will be traveling home for the holidays, so you also have to get prepared to pack all of your clothes and beauty essentials in your luggage. And if you're anything like me, I usually prefer not to check in bags. I just want to go in and out of the airport as fast as possible. So I guess you can say that I have to pick my beauty products wisely, and I also have to make sure that they're abiding by the TSA rules and regulations. This video is also in partnership with CVS Beauty, so if you want to stock up on any TSA approved items or travel friendly essentials, make sure to hit CVS up because the options are honestly endless and they have so many amazing brands when it comes to full size and travel size items. I honestly have a whole field trip every time I'm in the travel section. There's just everything. Everything is mini and it's so cute, and it fits in your carry-on or your handbag perfectly. The holiday season is a very exciting time. You get to reunite with your friends and your family, but you can also get a fair share of stress and anxiety. So I like to make sure that I'm getting a few little mental health breaks throughout the day if I'm ever feeling like worked up or stressed. And something that I've been really loving to do is using aromatherapy with essential oils to help calm me down and kind of help me center myself. So if you're like me, I highly recommend a roll-on aromatherapy oil. And this one I did find at CVS. This one's from Rare Essence, and it's called the Stress Less 100% Pure Essential Oil Roll-On with Lang Lang and Geranium. Because I like to apply it on my pressure points, so like the wrist, sometimes I'll put it here, put it behind my ears, and sometimes I'll do it like along the temples, and I'll just like work it in. Having a little rollerball aromatherapy oil just always reminds me to check in with myself and to make sure that I am all centered and good to go. Even when I am traveling, I like to make sure that I am removing my makeup every single day. And one product that I really do love when it comes to makeup removal is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. It just does the job and it doesn't irritate my skin. It doesn't have any oils, alcohol, or fragrance. And it's also formulated to remove even waterproof makeup. I already have the jumbo size of this guy, but I like to keep this little travel-friendly one for when I'm in the gym and I need to take my makeup off before I do my workout. It removes waterproof makeup, and it's great for the face, lips, and eyes. Speaking of cleansers, I want to share with you guys this super cute mini gentle skin cleanser from Cetaphil. So if you have the bigger bottle of the cleanser, you can always just open it and pump and refill your bottle. And what I love about this cleanser is that not only is it super gentle on the skin, but you can use it for the face and the body. So having this little guy that will tackle your entire body is really going to save you a lot of packing space. As the days start getting colder, my lips start becoming literal like rocks. Like it's just so dry like the Sahara Desert. So that being said, I need to make sure that I am exfoliating and moisturizing my lips. One product that I have been really loving for that is the Burt's Bees Conditioning Lip Scrub. It has these little micro honey crystals that are going to get rid of dead skin as well as hydrate and help your skin hold on to any moisture that you add on. Because if you have dry skin sitting on your lips, no matter how much you moisturize, it'll always feel super rough. So this is a good step to keep with you. So next up is a true life essential for me, and it really does apply when it comes to holiday, travel, and cold weather season, and that is the Aquaphor Healing Ointment Advanced Therapy for Dry, Cracked, or Irritated Skin. What I love about this product is that it actually does help hydrate, moisturize, and give your skin some relief. And not only is this great for the hands, the knees, the body in general, it's great for the lip area as well. So when I'm in a bit of a pinch, I will use this on the lips and I will feel instant relief and moisture, and I really love that. I like to take whatever's left on my hands and I like to lightly work it into the ends of the hair, and it'll give it this like beautiful shine and just control the frizz. So I think this is a very good multitasking, travel-friendly essential to have with you. Now that we're on the topic of skincare, a brand that I have been falling in love with more and more each day is PIXI, especially their skincare products. And CVS has these super cute kits that come with 3 little travel-sized products from PIXI. This one is the Best of Brights collection, and it comes with the Glow Mud Cleanser, the Glow Mud Mask, and the infamous Glow Tonic. I spoke about the Glow Tonic in one of my favorites videos as well. You guys know I love this so much. It is so affordable, and it really does leave the skin feeling glowy and just super fresh. I also picked up the Best of Rose skincare kit from PIXI. This one comes with the Rose Cream Cleanser, the Rose Tonic, which is similar to the Glow Tonic, except it has a hint of rose, and I'm such a sucker when it comes to rose scents. And lastly, we have the Rose Flash Balm, which is an instant skin booster. It says that this hydrating, radiance boosting balm wakes up lackluster, fatigued skin in a flash. These will be good little pick-me-ups when you're traveling or just on the go. So last but certainly not least are 2 tools that I am so excited to share with you guys. They are new to CVS, new to me, but they have quickly become one of my favorite hairstyling tools. So first up is the GSQ by Glamsquad Travel Hair Dryer. And you guys may be wondering why it's in this little pouch. So it's so cute because it gives you this little pouch to protect the hair dryer when you're on the go. So you protect it from any scratches or damages while you're traveling. So it is a little tangled up because I have been taking it everywhere with me. I love the chic white color. It's kind of like an ivory color. It did come with this little nozzle that you can put at the end of the blow dryer, or you can use it just as is. So this guy has 3 different temperature settings. You can do hot, warm, or cool, and you can also control the intensity, so you can do high, low, and then obviously turn it off. And just using this guy, I was able to get my hair super straight and frizz free. So it has 1,875 watts, which means it's powerful and fast drying. It has an AC motor to deliver powerful airflow for faster drying and longer dryer life. It has ionic technology to reduce frizz for smooth, shiny hair, and honestly, you guys, I can attest to that. It also has a cold shot button right over here, so once you're done blow drying your hair, you can give it a blast of cool air, and basically cool air helps to lock in your style, and it makes your hair a lot more shiny. Another thing that I really love about this blow dryer is how long the cord is. So many times I've had blow dryers that I've had to literally stand an inch away from the power outlet so that I don't accidentally unplug the hair dryer. Next up is the GSQ by Glamsquad 2-in-1 titanium flat iron. And this guy has also been a big game changer. So let's just talk about the adorable storage that they include with the flat iron. It is this beautiful teal color, and they also have a little attached ribbon so that you can close everything together when you're not using it. This will definitely help extend the life of your hot tools. Then you fold it out and it kind of becomes this little heat resistant mat. But in this pouch over here is the flat iron, and it is this beautiful, gorgeous ivory pink color almost, just like the blow dryer. So I honestly wish you could see the actual flat iron in person. It is so stunning, so chic, and it looks so luxurious and expensive. The settings are also pretty discreet here. You have the on and off button, and then you have the plus and minus buttons to alter your heat settings, and it goes all the way to 430 degrees Fahrenheit, which is pretty hot. Not only can you get pin straight hair with the flat iron, you can also get really nice curls, and I was so surprised at how well this worked in making a curl. The actual plates are made of titanium, so that's going to leave your hair a lot more silky and high shine. Another thing that I want to share with you guys is how fast this tool heats up. So I retouched my hair and it's looking really good and soft, and I'm really happy with it. So now I'm going to go ahead and put on a little makeup and finish my look, and I'll be right back. And this is the completed look, you guys. I'm so happy with how it turned out, and I really feel like all of the essentials nourished and hydrated my skin, and the makeup just went on so seamlessly. I love this like warm tone look for the fall. Make sure to head to CVS to stock up on all of these TSA and travel-friendly essentials, whether you are going away for the holidays, have a quick weekend trip, or you just want to have your must-have essentials close by in a little travel-size form. CVS is the place to go. And what's also great about shopping beauty and travel essentials at CVS is that they are so committed to transparency in their beauty images. If you guys are not already familiar with the Beauty Mark program, you definitely should. It is such a great program that CVS has basically taken the lead on being transparent with their beauty imagery, and they make sure that they are indicating whether a photo has been digitally altered or retouched. So anything that you see with the Beauty Mark logo in their beauty aisles has not been retouched, and if it has, they will be very good about letting you know that it has been digitally altered. Also, do not forget to check out GSQ by Glamsquad, now available in-store and online at CVS. It is such a great line, and I definitely recommend you guys check it out. I mean, look at this hair. Oh my goodness. It literally looks like I went to the salon, and it's all because of those hair tools. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you being here. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And for more content like this in your feed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.